Okay, in this question we've got a sketch of y equals f of x. We don't know what the function is, but we've got a graph of it. And it tells us about these three special points here. And we're doing transformations. So we've got to sketch these curves in separate diagrams. Always read that, so we want separate pictures. So this is a normal thing for transformations. This is, by the way, chapter 4 on graphs in your notes. So in the first one, what have you done and where have you done it? Well, it's multiplication by -1. And it's not inside the bracket, so it's outside. Okay, so therefore, because it's outside, you think, does it affect x's? Does it have affect all y's? And if it does it affect them by multiplying by -1 or by dividing by -1? Okay, and then once you know what you're doing to all the x's or all the y's, you think about these 3 points, where they end up, and you kind of think about whether it's a translation or a stretch or a reflection. Okay, and you do the correct thing. And the same thing here, what have you done, where have you done it? Okay, well, it's multiplication again. Is it still outside or is it inside? Does it affect x's? Does it affect y's? Does it have an accident? So you decide what to do to all the x's or y's and do that to these 3 points and end up with 2 sketches. And on each diagram we've got to give the coordinates at which the point crosses the x-axis. So that's going to be the where these 2 points end up. We're going to be interested in those, and we need to find where P ends up. So if you've worked out with those coordinates positions, then you make sure that you've labelled them on your graphs. Okay?